Janarayan Bacho, I hope you all are doing good. I hope you are following SMS rule. S means what? S means soap. You have to wash your hands with soap for 30 seconds. And M for mask. You have to wear your mask whenever you go outside. And S for social distancing. You have to maintain social distance of 6 feet or 2 meter. Okay. Today we are going to start a new chapter that is from your book A Pact with the Sun. Your chapter name is The Friendly Mongoose. And this is your second chapter, The Friendly Mongoose. See in this picture, this is your mongoose animal. It is a small animal with fur, and this mongoose eats snakes, rats, etc. A Pact with the Sun book, Chapter 2, The Friendly Mongoose. This story is about a farmer, his wife, and their small kid lived in a village. There was also a baby mongoose in the house who they believed would be their son's companion and friend in future. One day the farmer and his wife went out, leaving the child alone with the mongoose. Once a farmer and his wife lived in a village with a small son. There was a one farmer in the village. He used to live with his wife and a small child. They used to love him a lot. And one day a farmer thought to bring a pet for his child. And one day what he did, the farmer bought with him a tiny mongoose. It's a baby mongoose, said his wife, but will be fully grown. He will be a friend to our son. So the farmer said that right now it is a baby mongoose, but one day when it will be fully grown, it will be our child's son. And after months, see in this picture, child is in the cradle. This lady is farmer's wife, and this mongoose in the hands of farmer. Okay, both the baby and the mongoose grew in 5 or 6 months. So after many months, after 6 or 5 months, mongoose had grown to its full size, but the baby was still a child. There is a vast difference between the growing process of human baby and mongoose baby. So mongoose had fully grown to its full size, but that baby was still a baby. And mongoose had very two shiny black eyes and a bushy tail. Bushy tail means so many hairs on the tail. The farmer's son was still a baby in the cradle, sleeping and crying alternately. One day, the farmer's wife wanted to go to the market. So she decided to leave her husband with mongoose and his baby. As she was afraid to leave her baby with the mongoose, so she asked her husband to take care of both. So picking up the basket, she said to her husband, "I am off to the bazaar. The baby is sleeping. Keep an eye on him. Frankly, I don't like to leave the child along with the mongoose." The farmer replied, "You needn't be afraid. The mongoose is a friendly animal. It's as sweet as our baby, and they are the best of friends, you know." So farmer replied, "You don't need to worry. I'll take care of them, and both are good friends. This mongoose is very sweet as our baby." So the wife went away, and the farmer, having nothing to do in the house, after some time, even farmer decided to go outside the house. And he met many of his friends on the way and didn't return for quite some time. And the farmer didn't return to home for quite some time. The farmer's wife returned home from the market carrying a heavy basket that full of groceries. She found the mongoose at the entrance of the house with blood on his face and paws. She jumped to the conclusion that it was her son's blood and the mongoose was the guilty one. So after returning from the market, what farmer's wife saw, that she saw a mongoose with full of was in blood, and blood was in its face and paws. So she thought that this mongoose had eaten my child, and she put that basket full of groceries on the mongoose, and she rushed into the house. The farmer's wife took one look at the mongoose and screamed blood. Screaming means yelling. When you speak loudly or when you yell, चिल्लाना जिसे कहते हैं. So the screaming means yelling out. So she started screaming blood, she cried. The face and paws of the mongoose were smeared with blood, and mongoose was in blood. You wicked animal, she called mongoose wicked animal. You have killed my baby. So she thought that this mongoose has eaten my baby. She was in anger. With all her strength, brought down the heavy basket full of groceries on the blood-smeared mongoose and ran inside to the child's cradle. So she put that basket full of groceries on the mongoose and rushed into the house. The baby was fast asleep. What she saw after that, the baby was sleeping in the cradle, and on the floor there was a black snake, torn, bleeding. So there was a dead black snake on the floor. In a flash, she realized that what had happened. Now she understood what had happened at that moment, and when she went outside to see mongoose, mongoose was already dead, and now she was in regret. She was in repent. She ran out looking for the mongoose, and after that, what she was started saying, "You saved my child. You killed the snake. What have I done?" she cried, touching the mongoose, who lay dead and still unaware of her sobbing. Sobbing means जब आप सिसक सिसक के रोते हैं, that is called sobbing. So she was dead, unaware of her sobbing. Now mongoose couldn't see her sobbing, her regret, her repent. The farmer's wife, who had acted hastily and rashly, stared long at the dead mongoose. Then she heard the baby crying. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. This story is from the Panch Tantra. So at the end, she heard the baby was crying, and then she came inside the house. Wiping her tears, she went in to feed him. So what is the moral of the story is that think hard and do not do anything in haste. Before doing anything or before reacting, we should think 100 times. See, think before you act. So before doing anything, before giving your reaction, you should think. Before coming to any conclusion, before deciding anything, you should think about that action. Is it wrong or right? Am I doing wrong or right? Is it so? So this is your story. Thank you so much, Jai Narayan.